Key statistical measures used in biotechnology research. How do doctors know whether a new treatment really works? How can scientists tell whether a new medicine is safe or whether a genetically modified crop is harmful to people? We cannot make these decisions simply because something seems safe or effective. This is where statistics and a variety of scientific measures become essential. Biotechnology uses the principles of living organisms to develop technologies that benefit people. It includes creating new medicines to treat diseases such as cancer and diabetes, developing crops that are resistant to pests and diseases, and designing technologies that help protect the environment. Today, biotechnology is considered one of the fastest-growing fields of science. Biotechnology has an especially large impact on medicine. Because every person's genes are slightly different, the same medicine can affect different people in different ways. A drug may work well for one person, but cause side effects in another. This has led to the development of personalized medicine, which uses a patient's genetic information to choose the most suitable treatment. Scientists are also studying stem cells to understand how diseases develop and to create new treatments. But how do we know whether a new treatment is truly effective? Two important statistical measures help answer this question, which are incidence and prevalence. Incidence refers to the number of new cases of a disease that occur during a certain period of time. For example, by counting how many new cases of influenza occur in 1 year, scientists can calculate its incidence. Prevalence, on the other hand, refers to the number of people who have a disease at a particular point in time. Incidence is important for studying the causes of diseases, while prevalence helps hospitals and governments determine how many medical facilities and healthcare workers are needed. Biotechnology is also widely used in agriculture. Scientists can modify genes to create crops that resist pests and diseases, or can better survive cold weather and drought. However, producing larger harvests is not the only goal. Scientists must also make sure these crops are safe for people. For this reason, researchers examine economic measures such as the amount of land used for cultivation, crop yields, and reductions in pesticide use, along with safety measures such as nutritional value, toxicity, and the possibility of causing allergies. Only after comparing all of these measurements can a new crop variety be approved for use. Statistics is also essential in research involving genetically modified animals. For example, scientists are studying ways to modify pig genes to produce organs that could one day be transplanted into humans. However, the success rate of this technology is still relatively low. Researchers carefully evaluate measures such as transformation efficiency, gene expression levels, cell survival rates, and gene transfer success rates to determine how effective and safe these techniques are. Biotechnology also plays an important role in protecting the environment. Scientists use microorganisms to clean polluted soil and water, and they are developing biodegradable plastics that break down naturally. But how do we know whether a plastic really biodegrades? Several important measures help answer this question, including biodegradability, biochemical oxygen demand, and chemical oxygen demand. Biodegradability measures how much a material breaks down over a certain period of time. In general, a product must decompose by at least 90% within 180 days to be considered biodegradable. BOD and COD measure the amount of pollution in water and the amount of oxygen required to break down pollutants. These measures are widely used to study water quality and water pollution. When we think of biotechnology, we often imagine advanced technology in scientific laboratories. However, the standards used to determine whether a technology is effective, safe, and environmentally friendly are usually based on numbers. Measures such as incidence and prevalence, success rates and survival rates, and biodegradability, BOD and COD, make it possible to evaluate new technologies objectively. As biotechnology continues to advance, statistics will become an even more important guide for protecting human health and the environment.